Hello, this is a follow-up demonstration video of our application A시로보. Now, in our previous video, what we did was demonstrate how we used OAuth2 to send Gmail and receive Gmail. But what we forgot to demonstrate was how the receive Gmail command within the application has the ability to mark read emails as read status. And it also has the ability to mark them with a star. So I would like to demonstrate that today. So the first thing I will do is create a new task called Gmail2, or receive Gmail2. Edit. And here is our new task. It's empty. Now we will be receiving emails. So we click here, receiving Gmails. And we will be receiving at this account here. And Gmail. Here is the current state of our inbox. Now there is one unread email. Actually, let's have two unread emails, just for demonstration purposes. Right, so there are two unread emails, and we will be reading those from our application. And once A시로보 is done reading those emails, those will no longer be marked as read, or unread. They will be marked read. So here, by having this checkbox, we're specifying that we will be reading unread emails only. And we didn't do this in the last video. If we check this here, mark as read, for every email that it reads, we will be marking them as read. Okay. And just to make it a little easier to follow what's going on, or to demonstrate that this application is doing anything, we will be open Notepad, and we will be typing into Notepad the subject of every email that we have read, or that it is reading, rather. Subject, okay. Enter. Save. So now let's run this. It's opening Notepad and reading the emails now. Right. So, as you can see, it's read two emails because those were the two emails that were unread. Now, if we refresh the browser page, we can see that those are no longer marked unread. They are read. So if we try running this again, what will happen is, now there are no more unread emails, so it will print nothing. Now that was the first demonstration. Let's close Notepad. And now let's do the same thing, except this time around. Instead of marking them as read, we would like to flag them with a star. So it's basically the same task, except instead of marking them as read, we will check this here. It says set flag. Now we're saying it's a flag, but it's basically a star. Now let's run this. It's reading two emails. Demo email and this. So let's make sure, refresh the browser page. And as you can see, they're still marked as unread, but there is a yellow star, which is what we asked A시로보 to do. Now, just for fun, let's do both. Unstar this, or actually, let's do something more interesting. Let's read only one of those. So, it will only read unread emails with the word schedule in its subject. So, you'll add a filter, and the subject contains schedule. So what we're doing is setting a filter so that it will only read emails that are unread and also contain the word schedule within the subject, which happens to be this email right here. So only this email would be marked as read and will have a yellow star by the end of this task. Let's click OK. and close Notepad and run this. Right, so let's check what happened. Refresh the email, our Gmail browser. And right, that's exactly what happened. Now this email was marked red and there is a star. And I believe that's it for this demonstration. Thank you very much.